Hi Skinologist, Kimberly here. Thank you for tuning into a video. I'm actually really excited about this video today. I'm going to talk to you about chemical peels and actually apply one to my skin so you can kind of see how my skin reacts. My concern right now for why I've chosen to do a peel is I haven't had a breakout in a long time, and I recently had a surgery and I'm getting off of some pain meds, which is really detoxing out of my body. And as you can see, I have 4 little zits that are trying to come up out of my skin, and I'm just going to completely prevent it. So the peel that I've actually chosen for myself is a beta peel. A beta peel is salicylic acid. It's 17% in the Sanitas peel, which is very strong. The rest of the peel is a chelating agent, which is lavender, so it has a really nice scent as well. I've gone ahead and cleansed my skin with a salicylic wash because I want to wash with the same peel that I'm using to kind of prep. And now I'm going to go on to my first step. So again, I've chosen the beta peel, which is right here. Today because I want to treat some redness because I do suffer from rosacea, and my skin is a little red just from the hot towel, and also the acne that I want to prevent from coming up. So I already am armed with my gloves. I have my gauze. I'm going to use a pre-treatment, which is right here to kind of prep the skin. It's the first step in a peeling process. It's designed to eat up excess oil, which is like sebum and keratin, and kind of prep the skin for the actual peel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on my forehead, and you kind of want to be quick with this because it does have a sting to it. I'm going to go up. I'm going to go closest to my eye. So if I didn't have my eyeshadow and eyeliner on today, I would actually go over my lid with my pre-treatment. But my eyeliner looks really nice, as you guys can tell. So I've now prepped my skin. As you can see, it's even a little bit more red. Normally, you could add your neck and chest to this treatment as well. Peels are great for your heels, elbows, even stretch marks. I can actually feel this a little bit. My skin's definitely heated up, so I want to wait for it to dry. But peels are great for anti-aging benefits. So again, another reason why I absolutely love the beta peel, besides of the skin condition that I'm treating, is it's awesome for antibacterial. Peels are great for lightening pigmentation, so if you have any type of acne scar or any pigmentation or sun damage, it's really great. It helps to, of course, lessen the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. So again, I made sure to get really close up around my eyes. And again, if I wasn't wearing eyeshadow, I would definitely go over my lid with only the pre-treatment, not the actual peel. It also is going to exfoliate and again dissolve that sebum and keratin. So a chemical peel is designed actually to wound the skin on purpose, and it's designed to help with that cell turnover, just to speed up and to have fresh new skin come to the surface. So now that this is actually dry, you can see it's just a little sticky. I'm now going to prep for my beta peel. So I know you guys can't kind of see what's on the table, but basically it's just my peels and little squares of gauze and then my neutralizer. So a beta peel could be self-neutralizing, but it's actually designed to be neutralized. So after I have this peel sit for a couple of minutes, we're going to neutralize it as well. This peel is only designed to be on the skin, and again, I'm going to go fast for 60 seconds. However, I'm going to see if I can go just a couple of seconds longer than that. I can really feel it. As you can see, woo! My skin is getting really red. I'm going to try to see if we see any frosting coming up. I don't think I actually got that spot. It's a little hot, but you can kind of see a little bit of white coming up, a little bit right here. If I come a little closer, my skin is actually really frosting. This is a really good sign. I'm just going to cool myself for a second. This is salicylic right here actually on this little spot, and that's just a little side effect of the peel. This actually that looks a little white is the frosting, is what we want. You can see a little bit's now coming up on my forehead. For lack of a better word, means cooked. It means it's doing its job, it's eating through that dead skin, and it's working. As you can see, I've turned really red, which is normal for any chemical peel, especially with me because I tend to have a little redness anyways. So I'm just going to let this sit again for a little bit longer. The fan feels good because it is really hot. There's lots of different peels and different scales. For instance, a lactic peel you probably wouldn't have but barely any type of flaking, but that's great for dry skin and pigmentation. Again, this peel that I have chosen, which is the beta peel, is great for redness and also acne, even more oily skin type, even though I'm not oily. Again, I'm trying to treat this area down here on my chin. So as you can see, I'm cooling down a little bit. I'm not quite as hot as I was, but I'm definitely going to probably have some good peeling here in the next couple of days. So typically with a chemical peel, if you do peel, depending on which one we choose, if it's a layered peel, if you have to keep your face dry, your skin condition and skin type, there's a lot of factors that go into it, but typically for my skin, I kind of know what to expect. I'm going to peel probably for a good 3 to 7 days, and after that, my skin will start to look really fresh. So for the next couple of weeks, I'm definitely going to stay out of the sun. I'm not going to hang out at all. If I do any dog walking, it's going to be at night. And I'm just going to start to prep my neutralizer as I talk to you guys. It's definitely going to be at night or early in the morning, and I'm definitely going to wear a lot of solar block. So what I'm doing is I'm neutralizing the peel, and I want to start where I started, which was on my forehead. You can't use enough of this stuff, let me tell you. And what this is doing is it's actually stopping the peel process because I've already done the peel. So now we're cooling the face down. You kind of heat up a little bit more. Like I can feel it a little bit more in my chin. You can see even my cheeks got a little bit more red. But believe it or not, after I apply and let the mask sit, I won't be that red. I'll kind of look like how I did a minute ago. So I'm now going to apply a professional mask by Sanitas. This is not one that we retail. This is for behind the scenes. It has things like colloidal oatmeal in it, menthol, a lot of flower extracts and vitamins. It's going to help to cool my skin down and help with the recovery process. And again, still keeping it neutralized. But if you think of that peel as kind of like the exercise where it just really worked out my skin, this is the recovery. So it's going to help to put my skin back at a resting state. So I'm just going to sit here for about 15 minutes to 10, just until it's absorbed in. And then I'm just going to take a cool washcloth, take it off, and then moisturize, and of course put solar block on. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you watching me get a peel today. Have a good day.